Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a newsletter on GetResponse. First, log into your GetResponse account. Once inside, find the email marketing section. This is where you'll manage all your campaigns. From there, select the option to create a new newsletter. You'll be guided through the initial setup steps, ensuring you start on the right foot for your email campaign. Now, let's dive into the design. GetResponse offers many templates, or you can start fresh. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to add text blocks, engaging images, and clear call-to-action buttons. Remember to personalize your content using subscriber details. This makes your newsletter feel more direct and relevant, significantly boosting engagement with your audience. Next, you'll select your audience. You can send to your entire list or segment it for more targeted messaging. Consider setting up a /B tests for different subject lines or content variations to see what performs best. Finally, schedule your newsletter. Timing is crucial, so pick a delivery time when your subscribers are most likely to open and read your message. Before hitting send, always preview your newsletter on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure it looks great everywhere. Send a test email to yourself or a colleague to catch any last-minute errors. Once you're confident, you can send your newsletter to your subscribers. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.